In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the power settings on your Windows computer. Whether you're looking to conserve energy, maximize performance, or simply customize your device to suit your personal preferences, knowing how to tweak these settings can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and take a look at how you can quickly and easily manage your computer's power settings. First, we'll begin by heading over to your Windows settings. To do this, you'll want to click on the Start menu, typically found at the bottom left of your screen. From there, a pop-up menu will appear, and you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that to open up the Settings window, where we'll find all the options to customize how your system runs. Once you're in the Settings window, you will see various options, but for now, let's focus on System. Clicking on System will direct you to a new page which houses all things related to display settings, notifications, and most importantly, power and sleep. On the left-hand side menu, you'll see an option labeled Power and Sleep. Let's go ahead and click on that. Here on the Power and Sleep page, you have the freedom to customize when your screen turns off and when your device enters sleep mode. On the right-hand side, there are drop-down menus where you can set the time limits. For instance, you can choose how long you'd like the screen to stay on when your device is plugged in before it turns off automatically. Similarly, you can decide the duration after which your device should go to sleep. This can be an effective way to balance performance and energy conservation, especially if you're trying to extend your laptop's battery life. Take a moment to consider your typical usage habits. If you're frequently stepping away from your desk, setting shorter periods for sleep mode might be ideal. On the other hand, if you're the type who likes to keep things running while grabbing a cup of coffee, you might prefer longer time intervals. In addition to these options, you will notice a setting for power mode. This feature allows you to toggle between different modes, such as best performance if you're running demanding applications, or best power efficiency if you're looking to save energy. Each mode tailors the computer's operation slightly differently to suit your specific needs. So if battery life is a concern, opting for a power-efficient mode can really make a difference throughout your workday. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and optimize your power settings to enhance your computing experience. Whether for productivity or conservation, these adjustments help tailor your device to better suit your lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.